Okay, let's talk about one of the most frustrating things in the WordPress world, setting up a brand new theme. You find that perfect design, right? But getting your site to actually look like that perfect design can be a total nightmare. So today, we're going to look at a tool that makes it unbelievably simple. Oh, you know the feeling. You've spent hours, maybe even days, picking out the absolute perfect theme. You finally click install, you activate it, and you get a blank page. Nothing. The beautiful layout, all those cool widgets, the typography from the demo, gone. It's such a classic WordPress problem, and honestly, it's a huge letdown. And then the real fun begins, what I call the setup headache. You start digging through documentation, trying to find the right XML file. You're dragging and dropping widgets, just kind of guessing at the settings. You're clicking through, 100 different customizer options, trying to get the colors and the fonts just right. It is tedious, it takes forever, and it's the complete opposite of that creative energy you had when you started. But what if you could just skip all of that? I mean, all of it. What if you could go from a totally fresh WordPress install to a perfect pixel-for-pixel replica of the demo in just one click? Well, that's what we're going to dig into, because yeah, there is a much, much better way. And here it is. Meet the hero of our story, Smart One-Click Setup. This is this incredibly powerful plugin that's designed to just eliminate that whole setup headache for good. And the promise? It's right there in the name. It makes the whole process smart, and it really does it in one click.
So the big idea behind this plugin is it's brilliantly simple. It lets you take an entire site's configuration, and I mean everything. Your content, widgets, customizer settings, plugin options, even your whole Elementor setup, and it bundles all of it into one single, neat, portable zip file. So how does this magic trick actually work? Well, it's a really simple two-step process, and it completely changes the game for moving sites or setting up demos. Let's break down how the export and import works.
Okay, so check this out. Step 1 is the export. The interface is super clear. You just go to the Smart Export page, and you literally just tick the boxes for everything you want to pack up. Your content, widgets, customizer, Elementor styles, and yeah, even the settings for very specific plugins. You pick what you need, hit Generate Export, and that's it.
And just like that, all that complexity, all those different little bits and pieces of your website, they're all boiled down into one tidy package. No more trying to juggle 5 different files and a separate text document of instructions, just one zip file. So simple.
And then comes step 2, the import. On your new, fresh WordPress site, you just go to the Smart Import page, you upload that one zip file you just made, and you walk away. The plugin takes over from there. It automatically unpacks everything and puts it all in the right place. It's honestly that easy.
Now that simple workflow is amazing all on its own, but the real power, the real magic of this plugin is in the details. What's going on under the hood is packed with professional-grade features that can handle even the most complicated setups you can throw at it.
Okay, for all you Elementor users out there, listen up, because this is a total game changer. We're not just talking about importing a few page layouts. No way. Smart One-Click Setup handles your entire Elementor site kit. That means your global colors, your fonts, your theme styles, all of it. It even automatically activates the kit once it's imported, so your site looks perfect right out of the box.
This might be the most powerful feature in the whole thing. The plugin can export the settings from literally any active plugin on your site. It finds them automatically. You just pick the ones you want from a checklist, and bam, their settings get added to the export. You'll never have to manually set up your contact form or your SEO plugin on a new site ever again. And for the developers, this is where you get some incredible control. You can get super granular with any plugin settings. So for example, using a JSON array, you can tell the exporter exactly which specific settings to pull from the live database. Or you can use a JSON object to actually hard-code custom values right into the export file itself. It's a really flexible system for getting those configurations just right.
And here's another really smart feature, especially for theme authors. You know how demo files can make your theme download huge and bloated? Well, you don't have to do that anymore. You can host that big demo zip file somewhere else, like on Amazon S3. It keeps your theme file lightweight, and it makes it way easier to update your demos without having to release a whole new version of your theme.
So when you pull all this together, what you have is a plugin that offers a ton of value to two really different groups: the people who actually build the themes, and of course, the people who use them every single day.
So if you're a theme author, this is all about creating a fantastic experience for your customers.
right? You can integrate this whole system in like 15 minutes and just watch your support tickets about theme setup disappear. But if you're a theme user, this is like the ultimate utility tool. It's perfect for moving your site to a new server, creating a full backup of your settings, or just cloning a site for a new project. It really puts all the power in your hands.
So here's the bottom line. That huge gap between the amazing theme demo you fell in love with and the blank site you actually have, that gap can finally be closed. And not with hours of frustrating work, but with a single click. So really the only question left is, are you ready to finally make WordPress setup painless?